Alright guys, what is going on and welcome back to my channel. Right now we're gonna take care of my baby, my Miata, because she's been a little neglected and I don't remember the last time I changed the oil on her. So when I checked, she still had a little bit of oil and it was kind of a little dark, but it wasn't horrible, it wasn't dry. But I just picked up some new oil right there. I just picked up some new oil, a filter, and then some other stuff that I'm going to talk to you about later. I got like a kit for the AC valves to fix the AC so the Freon doesn't leak out of the high pressure and low pressure valves. But yeah, let's go jack her up and change her oil because I think she needs it. I think it's been like, it's been like a couple thousand miles since I've changed it, but I kind of smashed on this car. And yeah, I kind of like to change the oil as soon as it gets a little low and gross and dark and it burns a little, so I like to keep it fresh. So let's get it, guys. The reason I run 10W30, it's a little thicker, even though it's the same viscosity other than when it's like coal, I think. But I don't know, just my friends inspected me how to run it, so I started running it and I feel like just the car performs a little better. I feel like it's thicker, but other than that, yeah, let's jack the car up. She's warmed up already, so let's jack the car up, put it on the jack stand, and then pop the plug, drain it, pop the filter, put the new filter on, oil the filter up, screw it back on, fill the car back with like 4.14 quarts, kind of depends on, but yeah, it's around 4 quarts. That's how much we're gonna need. So let's go ahead and do this. So I remember someone in one of my videos was like, that's the worst place to jack up your Miata, this and that. But honestly, I have a lot of friends in racing. I worked at a lot of shops and this and that. And if you can see under here, it's not the actual side skirt, it's the metal rib of the car that you jack it up on. It's kind of completely safe to jack the car up like this on the rib of the car. If your car's heavier, if you're not 50-50 weight balance like a Miata, okay, you can go maybe there, or like here with the weight, but in a Miata it doesn't matter at all. So trust me, guys. Alright guys, she is all elevated now, as you can see, on all 4 points. We have some clearance to climb under there and get the oil pan. So there we go. Just give her a little walk around the back. So nice and jacked up. Yeah, so let's crack this oil, let's crack the drain bolt, and let's change this oil. Alright guys, so I have all the stuff ready. Got my piece of cardboard to lay on. I got a jack under the control arm just in case stuff goes down, so just to be safe. So yeah, let's go ahead, and what we do is, let's get under here real quick. Let me show you guys. So this is right here. If you look over here, that's the bolt we're gonna have to crack. That's the oil bolt right here. I'm not sure what size it is, but let's go figure out what size it is because I don't remember it, and then go ahead and crack it and drain it. The oil's still warm, so that's good. Okay guys, so I got the proper tools. Let's go ahead and crack that bolt, and yeah. So I got a size 17 socket on there. I got my ratchet. Okay. Make sure it's going the right way. So now we can go ahead and crack this, and then we should be good. Holy crap, it's moving. Oh, there we go, finally. Holy crap, that was on there tight. The bolt's a little stripped. It's not good. But go ahead and put that right here. Hopefully it didn't splash the camera, but get ready. You have to do this really precisely not to get it on your hand. But watch this, guys. And see how bad this oil is. Okay, there we go. 3, 2, 1, and there you go. I got some on my hand, but that's pretty gross oil, guys. Let me tell you that. Gross. Alright, let's change that out. I'm also gonna have to get rid of this underpan tray because it's broken everywhere. I'm gonna have to order a new one. It's cracked up, so for now we're not gonna have one, unfortunately. Alright guys, now this part's a little hard to see, but let me try to get in there. The filter on the Miata is all the way in there. If you can see it, it's that thing right there. That thing right there. So I have to get my hand under the hot manifold like that and unscrew it. But good thing I keep it in my hand tight, so shouldn't be a problem. But let's get it. So I finally got this stupid course without injuries, but this is what I have to say to the engineers of Mazda who put that filter all the way down there. But like, look, we're bleeding and everything. I put these grippy gloves on to get it off, even though it's hand tight. Like, when it gets baked onto there, it's a pain to take it off. But finally got it. Let me show you guys. A little oil drain out of it, but we unscrew it. I'm putting the other one even looser on. Like, this is always a pain with this car. And it's hot too, the intake manifold. So that's horrible. I got it. Got the old filter out. It's all gross and full of gross ass oil. But now we're gonna take the new oil. We're gonna crack it open. I'm gonna prep the new filter. That's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna put a little hole in here. Just gonna take the new filter, take out a box, and then I'm gonna stick our finger in here, get all nice and lubed up, and then get the seal, kind of get oil everywhere over the new seal of the filter. Nice, just like that. And then we're gonna put the drain bolt back in. You should always replace the little copper washer, but I don't have a new one, so we're gonna just put that back on the drain bolt, put the drain bolt back in, screw the filter on, and then pour the oil in, and we're done. So stay tuned. I also like to lift the jack up a couple pumps, just to, because the oil bolt is on that side, just to get all the little trickling, all the excess oil out of there, just a little bit, and then set it back down. So. Guys, here's the old filter versus the new one. Check this out. Blech, disgusting oil. Put it right there. The drain. Alright, so the old oil, we're gonna put in this can right here. You take it carefully like this, and then hopefully we don't spill any, and pour that in there. Nice and easy. And then you can kind of see how much oil your car burned, because how much is missing. Because these cans show how many quarts and how many liters of oil is in the jug. So. Alright guys, let's grab the new oil. Right here, we have it. If you can see it. There we go. Good angle. And then carefully pour it without a funnel, but we have to be really careful not to get it everywhere. Perfect, not a single drop. So I'm gonna start off with like 4 quarts, and then add a little more, but I put around 4 a little bit. So. For now, that's good. So let's check the dipstick and then we'll come right back, see if we need more. Alright guys, so let's check the oil. Go ahead and clean it off. Should be full. If well, we can add some later always because when it circulates and everything, but oh yeah, we're full. So you can see right there. We are, oh, as you can see right there, we're full. So yeah. Alright guys, let's go ahead and give her a start up. See if she runs smooth. Nice. Now we have to check if there's any leaks or anything like that. Let her run for like a minute. And then we are all done, boys. And that's how you change the oil on a Miata. Oh! Alright, so the oil change is done. There's no leaks, there's nothing. Everything's great. She runs nice and smooth. All we have to do, take the jack stands out, set her down, and we are all done, guys. And yeah, as you can tell, like this is like the third video that I show you guys how I work in the Miata. They're such easy cars to work on. They're so reliable, and if you want to get a car that's fun, relatively fast, or you can make it fast but handles great, you can learn to work on, and it's just simple and reliable, get a Mazda Miata, guys. You're not gonna regret it. And guys, if you like my videos, like and subscribe if you want to see more stuff done to this. If you want to see this thing turbo, like I said, like and subscribe, comment, tell me what else you guys want me to do with this thing, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos.